Alright, I know I said I was going to spray this. I forgot the record button on the first coat. So I need the second coat of paint, so we're just going to spray it. Again, we're using a Graco 9.5, using the metal cup. And then we're using emerald urethane, which is thin. So we're going to go ahead and give this final spray. Doors are done, bottom's done, so final leg of our cabinet redo. Final coat. So we've again, emerald urethane is what we use for this. It's taken a while to come across to come about using the emerald urethane, but I really like it. The thing I like most is when you're spraying a box like that. If you're using traditional cabinet paints, and we used to use a ton of lacquer before, but when you're spraying the insides of those boxes, it dries out so fast that you'll get a really like a granular stuff on the bottom, or you'll get it on the side. The great thing about this is because it takes so long to dry, by the time you're hitting all those edges, it's still wet. This is going to stay wet for a couple hours. So it's nice because even if I forgot something, I can go in there and hit it again and it blends in really nice. So that's the reason I like the urethane stuff. Color-wise, it's easy to work with. There's just a lot of really good perks about the urethanes that took me a while to come around, but I'm definitely a fan now. So there's our final leg of this thing. Again, this was an oak cabinet that we redid. And put final video when we got it all assembled. We're replacing hinges. We got some different types of glass knobs for it, and replacing handles. So it'll be a completely new cabinet when we're done. So there you go, repainting cabinets. Prep is the biggest thing. Cleaning, sanding, primer, depending on what level of grain fill you want to do. I did a couple of different versions of it. If you got questions on redoing your cabinets, give us a call, let us know. Hope you have a great day, and stay tuned. We'll do the next video will be on the hinges itself, and what kind of hinges we're replacing, and then how those go back on.